Whether you're a beginner or a pro, working on IoT projects should be exciting and productive, without getting bogged down by soldering or breadboarding the sensors and actuators you want to use. Arduino's plug-and-make kit, available from Mouser Electronics, consists of the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi, 7 Modulino nodes with quick compatible sensors and actuators, cables, a structural frame, and mounting hardware. Users can leverage the hardware with Arduino's intuitive software, app, and cloud technology to create breadboard-free projects that can be fully functional in under 45 minutes. The Uno R4 Wi-Fi features the Renesas RA4 M1 microprocessor with an ARM Cortex-M4 core, and an Espressif ESP32S3 module providing Wi-Fi 4 and Bluetooth 5, plus a 12x8 LED matrix, 12-bit DAC, CAN bus, and more. It also includes a quick connector and shield header for expansion and customization, plus a USB-C connector.